Once I get to 100 videos, I'm doing like every blooper. But right now, it is currently raining and cold and terrible, and I just don't want no part of that. Wink, wink.
What truck? No, what are you talking about? Ain't got no truck.
Bro, I think I need another project to work on. Dude, what do you mean? You already have like 6 projects. Well, I know I already have a bunch of projects, but I need something that is a long-term thing that can actually make me some money. Dude, you've got the Camaro, you've got the truck that you don't even know if it's gonna run. You've got this stupid mower back here that has 2 flat tires. What do you mean you need another project? Dude, just hear me out. I've got the perfect thing for a project. Whatever, it's your funeral. Well, I know I don't really need another project in my life, but I feel like I need another project in my life. Only one problem. I need to get it running, and it's seized. Now, you might be wondering, well, McKailen, if it's seized, it's not going to turn over. Probably not my brightest idea, but hey, let's go for it. But this is our new project. I just, you know, love taking on things that are complicated and hard to do. To be completely honest, I really don't know where to start. I don't know what kind of motor it is. It's the Honda kind. That's not what a cylinder hole is usually supposed to look like. Ain't stupid if it works. Every light in the house is on, the backyard's bright as the crack of dawn. On my back, yeah, just keep doing that. And you know, I hate the cold. Still cold. Still sucks. Oh, nice mess, okay. I may or may not have bought a truck. Maybe not my brightest idea. Now what this does is it connects to the positive terminal. So I've got to find a brick or something to put on the clutch pedal. She's shiny. What is up, everybody? Okay, so today, too much explaining of anything, so this is the old... I didn't really do a... All these points are corroded. So, what electricity... Dude!
I should have, when I thrown that, I should have been like,
Feel the rainbow, bitch!
Hi, truck. Why is it way back here in no man's land where nobody can get at it? Alright, moment of... Oh, wrong key. Piece of junk. Oh! Okay, fine, okay. Where's the spark plug holes on this guy? Oh, you're right there.
let me see your ratchet.
Okay.
Just give it to me. Just.
Okay.
Why wouldn't it go? I'm just curious. If you saw why it wouldn't go or not. There you go. That's all I wanted to bring attention to.
Yeah, oh, that's fair.
Duct tape on the headlight. Like that's, you know what? I'm not even gonna buy it anymore.
Okay.
I don't know. You use your eyes instead of just feeling around, closing the gap on the spark plug, making it not run because the spark plug has no gap.
There's plenty of gap there, bro. I think that's the hole.
You think that's the hole?
I'm like...
You gonna say that? But never.
Worst that happens, it backfires and blows the injector off of it.
Spark plug. It's kind of a major deal, huh? I didn't take this motor apart. My father did.
Oh yeah, right on the blaming the next guy.
I like how my hoods just become my impromptu workbench.
Let's start the car again, not like Steve.
You know, I just wake up in the morning and I piss excellence.
And if you ain't first?
And if you ain't first, you're last, baby. Trademark, Ricky Bobby.
For the Winter Nationals, the final NHRA race of the year. So following them embarrassment of tripping and falling flat on your face on the starting line trying to help Bobby Bodie. How do you feel? Fully pimped out. We're the cleanup crew. It's our official story and we're sticking to it. Indy to go to the action. Cut. Redo. I'm an idiot. It's 4:30 in the morning. This is a terrible time to be up. Why do people do this every day? So, what do you think? What's up?
Jesus Christ. What's up, Kimpy?
You know. Well, it appears my foot is broken. Shut up and no laughing at me. So last night, we're going into a state of confusion. Let's go. Illinois. Update. We're still driving. Retry number 332. Update. Update, 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 update. I've got a double chin. Austin's got a double chin.
I'm sorry. What I said was, how would you like to suck my balls, Mr. Garrison?
No, it's really these amazing drives with Austin is what I really look forward to when we go racing.
It's heckin' stupid. Whoa, it's a truck on a truck.
Yeah.
You guys are crazy in this cold water.
You know he's coming back again someday, right? Yes, sir. And I read about some fire, which would be nice right now. This is
Ain't that bad?
This is I'm not as tough as you. You can go down like a sack of rocks in a second here.
Oh, okay, maybe it is cold. Alright, so I just finished getting done baptized. I can't talk. My hair matches this here funny car. What you screwing up today, Mr. Austin?
Nothing yet.
I'm pretty sure this counts as cannibalism. Say hi.
Hi.
This is fun. So, hopefully we get to run and don't get washed away. Setting up cameras be like.
This is Chief Rear End Specialist Anthony. He's polishing.
Alright, so we put the axle shaft in, and so needless to say, yesterday got rained out at the track. We got probably 15-20 inches of rain, and I do not know how the sky can hold so much water. But the lanes, ow! I'm already being replaced. Word. HRA Spring Nationals. This weekend we have both sitting in the tow vehicle and we are fixing it. This is a nice view. Hello, funny car.
Look at that freaking foot.
This is the back diaper for the funny car. It do be a little toasty. Okay, what had happened was.
What's going on here?
Yeah.
Now this is Indy, baby, the big go. Let's go.
We're just kind of vibing.
I'm Austin. Basically, the best there ever was. I don't really know what to do with my hands. A few heads in the cars, and about anything else but the clutch. Jane Cade, Steve's loud. LeBron James, I fight bad guys in Arkham.
Hello, funny car. You do be looking pretty sexy down there. Hello, dragster. How are you, Mr. Uber, sir? Funny car, so Austin shut it off, and we're fixing to run the dragster next. I'm cold and tired, and we're fixing to hop in the motorhome and go to, not even here for 5 minutes, and they're already having me work. We don't know what time it is. I'm chilling in the back of the rental car. Words. Words are hard. Okay. All right. So it is cold and sucky. Apparently, I don't like sleeping, and I woke up. I don't know what to do with my hands. Hurry up, Mr. Terry. Also, I got glasses.
He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands.
So this crayon eater and I get to room together this weekend. Big brother is helping him get the big blower on the car so that we can put it together. Good morning from Terry Haddock Racing. We are on our way to the racetrack and Tyler's driving, so I'm scared. Way down yonder, way past the Chattahoochee. I'm all dirty. I decided to try to be a bottom end guy. How are you, Mr. Haddock?
Oh, I'm up here amped up on freedom.
Good morning from the Haddock residence here at Mr. Motel 6.
What intro was that? Mr. Motel 6. And you shut off again.
Yeah. I seem to have misplaced my GoPro, which is just fantastic right now. Do you remember Show and Tell back in like elementary school?
Yep, that was definitely Kablooey, no doubt about it.
Oh, also I did some improvisations to my shirt. Now I'm representing Krista.
Woo! Dude! Oh my god!
Why is it so freaking cold here in Pennsylvania, bro? Did I show you? I'm so confused. No, I showed you. For some reason, the rear end's locked up. That's not bueno. This is my brother Tyler. He lives here on the West Coast, and he decided to come hang out with us.
We're on the East Coast, but that was a sick intro.
Taking a tight thing and turning it into a loose thing to get a tight thing on.
And I kind of sick to my stomach. Shake and bake. Good morning. I'm exhausted. I'm eating tacos on the hood of a Kia. Past my bedtime.
Good morning.
Day 933 of the Texas Stampede of Speed. And I really need a nap.
You won't settle for slow.
You're either first or you're last.
Ricky Bobby, trademark.
Why is it spicy?
Hang on, the clutch assistant has something to add. Okay, go ahead.
What was that, sir? What was that? You tired? Want to go to bed? Yeah, me too. Texas Motorplex Stampede of Speed, day 1,542. Also, my brain is lagging today. It's organized. I swear. I swear it's organized. Hey, somebody left a race car in our shop.
No regular Alta, dude. This is the Mr. Boston Alta, dude. Right out of the East Coast, kid. There's no way. There's nothing faster than this thing, dude. I'm telling you right now.
Funny car Chaos.
Chaos! Woo!
Hello, darling.
This thing's one bad mama Jim. All right.
Hi, welcome to Applebee's. What could I get for you today? I am a semi-professional race car driver. Okay, we have to do a little bit of light off-roading here. On today's episode of Terry Haddock Racing, we have Macon hanging off the back of the buggy holding onto a drum of nitro. Let's get his baby! First round win! First round win at Texas Motorplex. Woo! Meatball's outside hanging out with us. He loves his mama. Responsibility, am I right? Okay. So now I'm just a random idiot standing out in the parking lot. Oh yeah, I love drag racing. Why do you ask?
Are you excited, Terry?
I am very excited to watch my kid abuse my car. Can't wait. Been waiting all day for this part. He's ready. He's getting his hat on, his diaper on. Now he's interviewing himself.
As noted, we have this little hole in our pit. Hello, sir.
TikTok this.
Right now, we're in a state of confusion. Or, New Mexico, I mean. Sorry.
All right, here we go. Good. That's right, man.
Donkey? Walked up here and I saw this guy walking through my pit in a fire suit. This cool guy sunglasses on and this Nomex shirt on. I was like, who's that driver? Is that like Blake Alexander's? And I was like, oh, that's our driver.
That burnout was awesome. I felt like Adam LZ or TJ Hunt drifting it around. Helicopter! Hey, Air Force, you want to race? Dude, that burnout was awesome.
It was insane. Dad turned around and he goes,
What do you think, Austin?
that's cool, you know. So my professional race car driver, McKailen Haddock.
Cameron's sitting crisscross applesauce in his race car.
Funny car.
We are mildly stressed right now, so I'm gonna have an apple.
Ask you a question.
You know.
What are you doing right now?
How do you feel about today's race?
Oh, you know, feel like I wake up in the morning and I piss excellence. I don't really know what to do with my hands, but I'm simply the best there ever was.
Chicken bake, Ricky Bobby.
Because Austin showed up.
Hi, how you doing?
Trailer door repair is going well. How you feeling in there, Mr. Foray?
Wonderful.
Sitting in the hoopty. Lucius, I got a chubby right now because I'm driving a race car. Do you ever get the feeling that someone's watching you at all times? According to our foreign exchange student Lee, Mr. Terry's passed out in the trunk.
Morning. It smells like a hot sub in here.
Hi, Meatball. Anthony's fighting with a dog.
Reno, we're in the biggest little city in the world, baby. Whoa! We're gonna go prospecting for gold.
Please do. I want to enjoy that. It's a great group of boys. We're all gonna die together. Frenchie in the race car.
Trump International.
Prestige worldwide. I feel out of place. This place is too fancy for us.
Spectacular.
I feel out of place.
You are.
God. Yeah, I love Donald Trump. I'm here. Say I love Daddy Donald Trump. Everything I have. I've never been in an elevator that went to the 42nd floor before.
Dude, Daddy Donald Trump came through. Austin, I'm pretty sure God does love us. So what do you guys think of this fancy hotel?
I've been looking all around and I can't find Brandon.
I guess the whole getting up at 6:30 and being productive for a few hours before we left kind of went out the window.
Every champion starts his day off with Bang Energy and Twizzlers for breakfast.
Not sponsored by Bang Energy or Twizzlers.
Yeah, boy. I hate the yeah, boy.
What's up? We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, flying through the sky. I don't know the rest of the song.
Hey, this plane is insane.
I do believe I've got a flat. Yeah, that's... Hey, not to worry. It's only flat on the bottom. Safety third, kids.
My name is Danger Maps, and remember, safety first.
I'm going home and get me some of them french fried potatoes.
Hey, you know one thing you can't do is try to do my car? Smoking a bandit! Alright, you don't need to do freaking whirly birds on the hood. Now you're gonna, look what you did now.
Pretty sure that's not factory. This is a nerd's paradise. What the hell you doing?
You guys said this was peanut butter, but it doesn't really taste like it.
In the second drawer... My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Good morning. Today Max and I have a combination of about 2.5 brain cells.
Corn.
How you doing over there, Mr. Max?
I told you not to bother me when I'm cleaning my room. Do the horn there! Driving past 8 hours and I'm losing my mind!
Well, we got a tire falling through the hatch, but... The Haddock yard sale is closing up shop. We're gonna put everything back upstairs, and that was one of the greatest showers of my life at a love